Just a quick recap, mostly for myself, on QM Rubric and the first two parts that we've covered. First part of the QM Rubric was to do with the course introduction, onboarding, and elements along the lines of make sure learners know the policies that are there, both to make sure that they don't muck around, but more likely so they feel comfortable knowing where the boundaries are of deliveries or incomplete work, withdrawal, so things that could do with plagiarism, late submission, just because online you can't ask these questions so easily, so just set them up to start off with. There are no specific or essential review elements in part one, there's no threes in there, which is interesting. Part two was all essential review points. They all had 3, and you have to, quite a lot of the earlier ones are about alignment between course level objectives. Are they measurable, and do they take on like the whole kind of program specific principles? So like, does it cover writing skills or something similar, or equipping for life? There also, then it breaks down into another alignment specific, which talks about make sure the course level and module or chapter level, there's an Americanism that was difficult, specifics line up, learning outcomes line up. So do they basically take some of the course level objectives and turn them into more specific and very measurable outcomes at module level, like I'm going to improve my writing, that's really poor, sorry. Anyway, it breaks down to like, I can write sentences with punctuation, I can write sentences using the Oxford comma, so quite specific outcomes. Again, you have to apply the 85% rule, and then you have to look for things like some narrative that lines up the module level specifics to the actual activities that the learners are about to go through. So it's not just like, here are your ILOs for the module, now go, here are some activities. It's more like, these ILOs will be practiced or improved or worked on. So by doing activity A, where we cover, and B is going to, and C, activity 1.4 is going to do this. So some very useful skills and some very useful knowledge. Actually, it's more important to remember when we're designing online. Cool, bye.